Disclaimer, it took me 2 hours, more than an hour to figure it out. I was troubleshooting a lot of the time, so you might want to watch on 2 times speed. Um, in the end, I was able to do it. So if you follow along, you should be able to get to the end, but to the end, I was doing a lot of troubleshooting. So there was sometimes I was just trying to figure it out on my own. But I think the main issue was, I talk about it in the end, but you need to install Python 3.10.9. I'm pretty sure that was the main issue. So if you go ahead and follow all the steps, but all you need to do is just install Python 3.10.9, you should be good. You should waste all the time that I've wasted. So that's a disclaimer, but it's a very long tutorial. It wasn't organized because it was my first time doing it, so I was also struggling to figure it out. But this is the only Mac tutorial, and I was able to successfully do it. So everything else on YouTube is Windows tutorial. So I guess this is all you guys have. I had to figure it out on my own, but at least you guys could follow me and save, all the errors I went through. So just speed through it. So I want to set up Koya, and I went all over YouTube, and there's not a tutorial on how to go ahead and set up Koya on a Mac. And the reason why I want to set up Koya is because I want to create training. I want to train it based on my face. I want to give Koya a bunch of photos of my face so that I can create consistent characters using my face. When I go ahead and attach it to Stable Diffusion or other things. So I guess let me quickly check out this one-click installer. So I'm looking at this one-click installer and it's a bit confusing. So what I went ahead and did was I asked ChatGPT. So we're going to follow these instructions together and hopefully it all works out. I have zero coding knowledge. So let's try to figure this out together. Okay, so first when you open up Terminal, here's Terminal. Now I already have Python and Homebrew installed, so I don't have to copy these instructions. But what happens if I try again? Will it double up? Let's see. Because I already think I have Homebrew. Well, I guess it'll... Updating Homebrew, perfect. Now let's go ahead and install Python. Okay, I'll pause it so you don't have to wait through this. So I just asked ChatGPT if you already have Homebrew or Python 3.5 via Homebrew. It's not gonna install it twice. It'll just update it or do nothing. Yeah, so I guess there's no harm in just copying this code. You can screenshot this and just installing it again, even if you think you have it already. Cool, that's done. Next is we're gonna install Git. I have no idea what Git is. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so it's something about version control system. I don't know what that means, but cool. Clone the Koya repository. So we're basically just going to download the open source Koya repository. So let's paste. Cool, it's cloning, that's working. Nice. Now we're going to go ahead and set up the virtual environment. Copy, paste. Okay, virtual environment, I think that's what that means. Cool. Now we need to install required dependencies. Nice, that's really quick. Install the required packages. Okay, configure accelerate. Okay, hopefully this works. We're getting through it. Ooh, what does this mean? Error. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let me copy this, create a new ChatGPT. What is this error? I am trying to install Koya. Let's figure out the error before we move to the accelerate. So apparently it has something to do with the scripts. We need to change it from this to this or remove it out or something. You can comment it out or remove it. Okay. So first, let me go ahead and try find. Okay. Now let's open it up. Perfect. So here's a requirement text file. So we need to find something that looks like this. Cool. No need to. In requirements.txt, it currently shows how do I comment it out. Front of it, okay. So let's put a hash. There we go. Save. Perfect. Okay. So now do I repeat this? Okay, let's try again. We'll go back here and we'll repeat this last step and hopefully it works. This time, we'll see. Okay, it worked successfully this time. So our troubleshooting worked. We didn't hit a dead end. Thank you, ChatGPT. Now, let's go ahead and I guess we'll configure accelerate for optimal performance. I have no idea what accelerate does, but let's do that. When prompted, provide the following response. Which compute environment, this machine, do you want no? Okay. So I think we just wait it out. Okay. Which environment are you running? Please select choice using arrows or numbers keys. This machine? Please, which type of machine are you using? No distributed training. Okay. Do you want to run training using? ChatGPT is so good. No. Cool. And do you wish to optimize? No. No. Cool. So that's that. Okay. Launch Koya GUI, graphical interface. Copy. Let's see. Oh my god, if this works, it's pretty cool that we set it up all together. Come on, come on. Okay, no error found. I think it should have worked. So let's open our browser and go here. What? Didn't work. Why didn't it work? There's an error here. Okay, let's troubleshoot this. Help me troubleshoot with no code knowledge. Installing Kita through Homebrew. Oh wow. Below is a step-by-step to troubleshoot, hopefully get you running on macOS. No code missing Kinta is needed, but fixing the cake enter in Mac not always include depending on how, since you are using Homebrew, you need to install Kinta manually. Okay. Open your terminal app. Do I open up a new one? Let's see if it'll work here. I'll have to reset it. No, it worked. Let's try this. I don't know if that worked or not. Okay, we'll reinstall it. Whoa. Why is it an error? Seems to have no errors, I think. Okay, I'm now getting a bit lost. Okay. Please help me with the next steps to get Koya GUI working. I gave it everything, the whole history. There's a lot of threads. So hopefully it can read it. You're stuck inside Python prompt. Your last line, I see, which Python to? That means you're inside Python. You might exit back to normal terminal. Why Tinker's missing from Homebrew? Okay, so first I need to get out of this to get back to the normal. Let's try exit. Okay, now I'm at the base. You'll be back to usual install. So let's see if I can install. Perfect, it's working, I think. Okay, let's try. Okay. Create a new virtual environment. Let's activate it. And then let's test it. Nope, it didn't work. Okay. See what my mistake was. Okay, so I think it's asked me to reinstall Python. So let me exit. Can I uninstall it? Let's see. Cool, it's uninstalling things. Nice. Now it wants me to download this. Go to Python. Let me just download it. Open it up. And close this. Open up a new terminal. Okay. Close the trash. Nice. Test Tinker. Oh, You're getting syntax because you're typing extra while already inside. Only type when you. At the prompt. At the. With. Type. Oh. Okay. Maybe that's better. Did I accidentally. Is it working? Let's give it a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna terminate this. Open up a new terminal. Put in Python 3. Just gonna put it in here without the 3 lines. Same thing, it's just stuck here. Damn, I only have 5. It is stuck here when hopefully 4.0 is good. Okay, let's restart terminal. Install Python. Okay, hopefully if I do this it works. Hopefully a window opens. Come on. Cool, a window worked. Nice. This window popped up. What does that mean? K Tinker is working. Hope it's not a virus. Perfect. So I guess I just cross this to navigate to the Koya folder. Yep. Activate the virtual environment. Come on, come on. And then run the GUI script. What? No. Let's give it. PyTorch. Okay, we need to somehow install PyTorch, but we're getting close. Delete all. Oh, what the hell is broken? Okay. I don't know what that did. So create a new virtual environment using Python 13.3. activate it. Install required packages. Okay, we're getting close. Come on, come on. This will be the first ever Mac tutorial. But then you guys had to go through all the mistakes that I went through, unfortunately. So hopefully someone can clean up this tutorial. But if you follow it, you'll get to the same conclusion, right? Okay. Okay, there's some weird error. But let's see if we can run Koya despite the error. Okay, didn't work. Okay, let's give this to ChatGPT and ask it what's happening. Another thing. Man, I'm just having to install so many things. Okay. Now let's install Scrippy. So this is the Jaw G Fortran compiler. Install remaining dependencies. I don't know what this means. Installing rich model. Hopefully I don't run out of storage. I don't know if that worked, but let's just go ahead and install rich. Let's try run it again. Oh, oh no, some errors. So that's the error message. Oh, I think I got the Python, which is too big. So let's install the smaller Python. Okay. I feel like we're getting closer and closer each time. And I know that I shouldn't get Python above 3.10, so I'm not going to make that mistake again. Downloading 3.13, so let's remove this tab. Nice. Now install the rich. And let's try again. Come on, come on. Warning. Nice. Wrong package, wrong version of Torch. Torch GPU not available. Error. Damn. Okay, another error. But there's less errors this time and it's loading more, so we're getting better and better each time. Okay. Let's give it to ChatGPT. Yep, 3.10. Doesn't seem to have anything missing. False. Oh, I use this. Okay, so maybe this is what's happening because I don't have a GPU, I have M1, M2 chip. Okay, so uninstalled 2.6 and installed 2.0, which is the error we saw earlier, which is good. So hopefully this now works. Let's see. Nice. Come on, come on. So this error, something's happening here. I think there's one error left, which is good. We're getting close. Xformers, bits, bytes. So this is what was we installed it, but we couldn't run it for some reason. Yeah, we keep bumping into the same issue. So let's just copy this. Don't give it the whole thing this time. Am I using WSL2? Yeah, I'm struggling to install or run the Xformers. Let's try a new chat. Use the Great at Coding version. Give it everything. Please help me troubleshoot. I have no coding experience and I want to launch Koya successfully. What is this? Open up a new terminal. Can I go straight to here? To launch Koya from terminal from scratch. I already installed Koya. How do I launch from terminal now? Hopefully it's here. Nice. So activate the environment. Launch it. Then let's go ahead and create a new chat with the high coding skills. Weird, so apparently have a missing K Tinker mod. I feel like I've done this before. Installed homebrew K Tinker. Already installed up to date, yeah. Configure environments. So let's install the easy GUI. Now to respond. Okay, why? After installs, then I can run this. Cool. Okay, let's try again. This is where the issue usually happens. So we'll see if the issue doesn't happen this time around. Oh no, it didn't work again. Same error as well. What's happening? Getting same error after completing those steps. Okay, let's try verify the K-Tinker again. What? It was working earlier. Oh, I'm starting to give up, man. This is so hard. What is happening? Why is it not working? Let me do this from scratch. Okay, I'm not giving up. Let's try again from scratch. Okay. Step 1. Is this good to go and correct? Okay, so step 2. Recreate the virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. Yeah. Run. Okay, it works. The pop-up worked. Awesome, it freaking worked on the environment. Okay, now let's install the dependencies. Okay, you're not in Koya's route direct way of time. Okay, now I'm in Koya. Okay, update it. Cool. Okay, let's see if it works. This is where it usually goes wrong. Yeah, I keep bumping into the same issues. Remove or rename existing. This will allow me to start from fresh. Create a new thing using official Python. Activate it. Confirm the K-Tink is working. Yep, popped up. So we're progressing. Open. Print or modify. Install the package separately before installing the file. Open open in the text area, split 2 lines. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Let's do option 2. Still not working. Damn. I guess I have to do it manually, maybe. Alright, exit. I'm gonna open it on text edit. Okay. And it wants me to make it into 2 lines. Save it. Now let's run it, see if it works now. Damn, still the same issue. I edited it to this, but I still get the same issue. Why? Change the first line from that to this. Okay. Save. Let me edit it again. Save it. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh no, same issues. Okay, let's try this. Oh. Oh, progress. Whoop, is it did not more errors, but getting somewhere, I guess. Pip install. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. Insert torch and touch vision first. Cool. Then install Xformers. What the hell? I'm gonna stop recording until I get a breakthrough. So maybe I need lip pub. Do I write this then?
Sorry, I'm gonna. I really like hockey a lot. I really like hockey a lot.
Hey, bro, who you with? LaFlame. LaFlame, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro, you might go. I wanna know what the inspiration behind rodeo was and how you pioneered the whole, like, wave of layering the auto-tune and the vocals and making it into a beat, bro. Well, the inspiration is, I came from, like, Sunnyside, Texas, right? So, and I ended up moving to the mall. And through that travel, I feel like it was a wild journey. And I always had, like, sonics in my head, and it sounded a certain way. So I ended up being able to put it in the album. It's amazing. Hey, bro, I want to know your inspiration behind the album Pharaoh, too. Man, I've always stayed up beyond the lateness, and I feel like to work on my craft. To get to where I need to be.
I didn't know about July. She's insane.
Hey, bro, who?
Have a tutorial on how to get this. Open your video.
The thing that never makes sense to me is when people try to argue that Aang won all his battles and Korra just lost every time. And they leave out very important context, like the fact that Korra's opponents are 10 times harder than what Aang was fighting.
That is one of the craziest takes I've ever heard. I'm gonna go over this one by fucking one, and I'm gonna make it extreme.
As to death whistle in public bathroom. So I just spent the last 7 days paying and testing for all of the best AI video generation tools and all of the best AI image tools so that I could create these AI ads. So here's exactly how you can create these AI ads for your brand or business. To start with, you need a reference image, which I went to Pinterest for. Drag this into Midjourney, which costs $15 per month, and click the paperclip icon to lock in the style reference. Now you can simply upscale the image into HD, then right-click and download the image. Bring this into Magnific AI, which costs $40 per month, and copy these settings. Now you'll upscale the image even further. Now we can bring this into Kling AI, and we can write in a text prompt to animate the movement, and make sure you have this added on at the end to control the camera movement. Now you'll get an awesome video like this, which you can bring into a video editor. I chose After Effects to add in some cool motion graphics. And if you want to try it out, type AI in the comments.
Okay, so I finally successfully launched Xformers, and it was due to two things. One, adding in MacOS X15, following these instructions. So that was one. And two, installing S command lines. So now let's see if this works now. Okay, it didn't work. Where's this? Am I in the wrong? I thought I already installed Rich. What the hell? I feel like I'm going in circles, running into the same issues. Reinstalling Python, getting different versions. Let me figure this out. Okay. So another issue I just figured out. For Koya has been using Python 3.13 instead of the 3.10, because I have 3.10, which apparently should work. So remove the current environment, create a new virtual environment with 3.10. Activate it, check it, 3.10.16. Reinstall dependencies. Hopefully I don't lose any of the progress I made by reinstalling the project dependencies. And then we'll launch Koya. Okay, let's launch Koya, see if Koya works now. Damn, the Xformer, I keep running into these issues. Wow. Guys, I think I might have roundly got some progress. I was scared it didn't work, but maybe it worked. Come on, let's see. Oh my god. I got it to work! I was so close to giving up. Oh my god. Jesus, that took so long. So I think the main thing was, the biggest thing that helped was, I think, installing Python 3.10.9, because I had 3.10 but that wasn't compatible with Ktinker. Yeah, dude, can't believe I freaking got it to work. Holy macaroni. So happy. Sick.